ClickUp, one team's bill went up 10 times overnight and nobody sent them so much as an email about it. Not a price hike notice, not a changelog entry. One day, their guests were guests. The next day, ClickUp decided guests were now paid seats and the invoice did the rest. That's not how software pricing is supposed to work. Pricing is supposed to creep. This one jumped, and that's just the visible part of it. Because while everyone was watching for the next feature drop, ClickUp and Linear were both quietly rewriting what a per-seat SaaS bill really costs a small team in 2026. Okay, so here's the actual problem. If you're running a 10-person team on ClickUp Business and Linear Business, you're paying $12 a user for ClickUp and $16 a user for Linear. $28 a user a month before a single AI add-on. That's $3,360 a year. Official pricing page numbers, not an estimate. If you've ever watched a renewal invoice land with a number that wasn't there last year, this section is for you. And it's been getting worse, not better. ClickUp's business plan on monthly billing jumped from $12 to $19. A 58% increase. 58%, reported independently in February, with zero notice from ClickUp itself. Linear's not innocent either. Basic went up 25%. Business went up roughly 33%, sometime between mid-2024 and early 2025. And neither company published a blog post announcing it. You just noticed the new number on renewal day. And both companies are now layering AI credits on top of the seat price. ClickUp's got a $9 brain tier and a $28 everything tier. Linear's got usage-based AI credits for coding sessions, and their own changelog says, in writing, that automations and code intelligence may move to usage-based pricing beyond a certain threshold. Translation: the seat price was never the ceiling. It was the floor. And ClickUp's pricing page has a line for exactly this moment. If AI providers raise rates, we will adjust pricing gradually and transparently. Gradually, apparently, can mean overnight. And remember that 10 times bill jump from the opening. The Reddit thread describing it put it plainly: they changed prices, and our bill went 10x with no previous notice. That's not an AI credit line item creeping upward. That's a structural rule change. Guests quietly reclassified as paid seats, landing on an invoice nobody reviewed in advance. So that's the problem. Now here's what a growing number of teams are doing about it. Plain. It's an open source, self-hosted project management tool, AGPL 3.0 licensed, and it's not a toy. Version 1.4 shipped at the end of July 2026 with a one-line installer and a single all-in-one Docker option if you don't want to run 13 separate containers for a task board. Think of it less like switching software and more like moving out of a rented office and into a place you own outright. The mortgage is smaller than the rent was. But you're also the landlord now, and nobody's fixing the plumbing for you anymore. Feature for feature. Plain covers the core of what ClickUp and Linear both do. Kanban boards, list views, cycles that work like sprints with burn-down charts, epics, and initiatives that roll up into roadmaps, GitHub and GitLab, integration, custom fields, webhooks. It even has a built-in ClickUp importer and a built-in Linear importer, and both are rerunnable, which matters more than it sounds like it should when your first migration attempt inevitably misses something. Now, here's the part with the actual numbers, because vague savings claims are exactly the kind of thing this channel exists to fact-check, including, honestly, its own video title. A Hetzner CX33 box, 4 vCPUs, 8 gigs of RAM, 80 gigs of SSD, runs about €8.99 a month. Call it $10 and change. Add backup storage, a domain, and a realistic 2 hours a month of admin time at $50 an hour, and the fully loaded annual cost of self-hosting Plain for a 10-person team comes out to roughly $1,348. Compare that to the $3,360 you're paying ClickUp and Linear for the same 10 seats, and you're looking at savings of roughly $2,012 a year. $2,012, not $2,400. And I want to sit on that gap for a second, because most videos would just round up and move on. If your team already has someone who handles servers as part of their job, no extra hours, no extra $50 an hour line item, the savings jump to about $3,212. So the honest range is somewhere between $2,000 and $3,200, depending entirely on whether you're paying someone to babysit the box. $2,400 sits right in the middle of that range, which is probably exactly where it came from. This isn't hypothetical either. A 70-plus person design studio called Minimal Art migrated off ClickUp to Plain and had it running the same day. That's their own published case study, so treat it as vendor adjacent. But it lines up with an independent account. A developer named Victor Daluz documented moving 177 issues from Linear to a self-hosted Plain instance on his own hardware. And his exact words were that there were sharp edges. Nobody puts in the marketing copy. Both things can be true. It works. It's also not effortless. I've stood up self-hosted stacks like this before. The kind with a dozen containers, and the first hour is always the same, watching logs scroll by, wondering if you just spent your Saturday on a mistake. And the community backing this isn't small. Plain sits at 55,500 GitHub stars and 5,200 forks. Check this week, not some stale number from launch day, with over 30 commits in the last 30 days alone. That's an actively maintained project, not an abandoned side quest. Okay, so here's where the honest caveats section actually earns its place, because two of these will directly undercut the pitch you just heard. First, Plain's free. Self-hosted Community Edition does not include custom automations, none. If your ClickUp setup has 50 rules, auto-assign, status triggers, Slack pings, none of that survives the move, unless you pay for Plain's commercial tier, at which point the $0 software cost stops being zero. Second, Plain doesn't have a calendar view at all, and it doesn't replicate Linear's real-time optimistic sync, the instant, no-lag feel that Linear built its whole reputation on. Third, and this one's buried in a Reddit thread, not a press release, Plain's own SSO costs $100 a month on the commercial tier. For a 10-person team that needs SSO, that's another $1,200 a year, quietly eating into the savings we just calculated. We looked at Huly too, as the other self-hosted option, and it's worth mentioning once. A comparable Huly box needs roughly twice the hardware, 8 vCPUs, and 16 gigs of RAM instead of 4 and 8, which pushes its own fully loaded annual cost to around $2,064, more than Plain for less software maturity. No mobile app at all. Still pre-version 1 at v0.7, its own hosted cloud service shut down in July of last year. And there is currently no documented team-scale migration from ClickUp or Linear to Huly anywhere online, only a Jira shop still in the planning stage. Plain has the receipts. Huly right now doesn't. 13 containers already felt like a lot. Huly runs 14. So, okay, who should make this move? If you're a 5 to 30 person engineering team paying ClickUp or Linear business pricing, and your automations fit on one hand, Plain's importers make this a weekend project, not a quarter-long migration. Same goes for any team with a hard data sovereignty requirement, air-gapped deployment, full code access under AGPL, nothing leaving your own infrastructure. Pick Plain there without much hesitation. But if your team lives on the mobile app, salespeople, executives, anyone checking tasks from a phone between meetings, hold off. Huly has no mobile app, and Plain's mobile clients are newer and less battle-tested than what ClickUp ships today. And if you're running 50-plus automation rules that your team depends on daily, migrating to Plain's free tier breaks every one of them the day you cut over. You'd need the paid commercial tier to keep them, and at that point you're not saving $2,000, you're saving a lot less. Not every team should switch. Not every team should switch to the free tier. And not every team switching should assume the invoice stays at zero forever. Over the next 30 to 90 days, a few things are worth watching. Plain's commercial vtrace.0 just shipped with a native desktop app and workspace governance, but the company's only raised a $4 million seed round back in 2023. With 55,000 stars and a real commercial product now live, a bigger round feels overdue. On the other side, ClickUp shipped what it calls Brain Squared in June, a rebuilt AI layer with persistent memory and background agents, which tells you exactly where their pricing is headed next. More AI, more usage-based line items stacked on top of the seat price. Linear's own CEO said in March that issue tracking is dead, and that a quarter of new Linear issues are now created by AI agents, not humans, a pivot that likely means more usage-based AI pricing before it means fewer price increases. Watch whether ClickUp's annual pricing moves next, now that monthly billing already has. ClickUp's own published roadmap for the rest of the year lists Gantt baselines, a workload view, and more AI agents, all reasons to keep layering cost, not reasons to remove it. This was never really about whether Plain can replace ClickUp and Linear, feature for feature. It's about who holds the invoice. Rent something long enough, and the invoice always finds a new number to grow into. Start with one team's board this weekend. Run Plains Importer once on a Hetzner box that costs less than a coffee subscription, and look at your own number before you touch a single paid seat. If this kind of cost breakdown is useful to you, the subscribe button's right there, and a like helps this reach the next builder asking the same question about their own SaaS bill. Share it with whoever's about to renew their ClickUp contract.